Hi everyone, it's Imani again. I am doing my digital platform 3 assignment, the vlog on the article summary. The article again is The Bad Bitch Barbie Craze and Beyonce, African American Women's Bodies as Commodities in Hip Hop Culture, Images, and Media. This article is by Crystal Lavule and Tisha Lewis Ellison. I wanted to kind of summarize the author's take in their comparison to the Bad Bitch Barbie craze and Beyonce's album Lemonade. It introduces the concept that the term used to identify a woman is who embraces her body while simultaneously using it as a commodity. Representing a black body ideal in Lemonade, Beyonce uses the images of black women's bodies to express empowerment, boldness, resilience, as a black woman struggle to live in a racist and sexist society today. This information is vital because the discussion about how young African American girls emulate the likes of Beyonce and other strong, prominent women in the media, and they represent themselves in a mainstream culture where beliefs are informed by socio-historical experiences concerning sexual imagery. The bad bitch Barbie figure represents some type of objectification, but she negotiates her image and helps direct it in ways in which she is going to be represented. So she kind of takes that negative connotation with the bad bitch Barbie craze and empowers it and makes it a positive. In the introduction, the authors uh, kind of visually conceptualize the album of Lemonade. They kind of break down each song and the meaning. When it launched in 2016, it blew up on social media. It addressed political issues, racial issues, sexist issues for all women, not just black women. But it was more empowering for the women of color who don't get to see that positive connotation of the objectification of a body. Its message for every woman's journey of self-knowledge and healing. Beyonce's album was deep rooted in the healing of the black man and how she's treated in society. The album's concept and title, other themes of emancipation, womanhood, identity, sexuality, became bold statements that left a mark on the media and people who view the media in their everyday lives. In the wake of the Lemonade's release, a global explosion of posts, tweets, memes, video images flooded social media, sparking curiosity and interest about its content and changing the face of pop culture and culture in general for all listeners. There's a feminist theory that the authors discuss, and I wanted to touch on Hill Collins, the black feminist, thought becoming the foundational text of the article because black women's experiences, self-definition, self-knowledge, and self-validation kind of all deal with black feminism. Situating black women's emerging power as agents of knowledge. So we're kind of using all of these negatives, all of the female black history as tools that we can use to empower each other. Through its discussion of recurrent issues concerning identity, politics, race, and violence, which have continuously shaped the lives of black women, Kimberly Crenshaw's intersectionality theory describes the overlapping of intersections of social justice problems like racism, sexism, classism, and more importantly, mental and physical health. These theories are significant when thinking about the ways black women are represented and treated in today's world, as well as how the current generation of young black girls desire to be just like them, seen and heard in their classroom communities, giving us a voice and feeling more empowered and stronger amongst our other counterparts. As an extension of these theories, black women's voices, like Beyonce, have entered pop culture, hip hop, and other digital spaces to unapologetically express their deepest and darkest times, which all are a part of a black woman's life. The author's framing Beyonce as the bad bitch Barbie and kind of comparison and how they're related. The concept acknowledges the objectification of Beyonce's body and it redirects it, navigating the objectification to her own benefit. A bad bitch Barbie develops a way to move from survival to success, embracing the body while it it is using it for self-empowerment. Beyonce, as a bad bitch Barbie, through visual representation with her album, she challenges the sexual script by taking command of her own body. The racialized and sexualized representation of Black women's bodies provided by Hottentot Venus provide a historical context for understanding the development of the bad bitch Barbie. Indeed, although a feminist spectrum may exist, and it is unequitable to suggest that one cannot be a true feminist if one presents a sexual performance as an image, Black women have the unique challenge of navigating gender and race, creating a vastly different feminist experience than our white counterparts. The author's discussion and educational implications. The Bad Bitch Barbie image developed out of the history of over-sexualization and commodification of Black women's bodies. We have been historically known to be an object to be had. The author used the Bad Bitch Barbie as a conceptual framework to contend that the rise of this craze is indicative of both ways Black women view themselves and the ways the world views Black women. It's usually more of a negative connotation, the way that the world views a Black woman, more of the lusty Jezebel. And we've kind of turned that and evolved it over time into being this strong woman, and not the angry Black woman that everyone sees or presumes that a Black woman is. At the center of the Bad Bitch Barbie image is the desire to be accepted and seen and to be in control of the ways that her body will be used or viewed. Adolescent Black young girls are under extreme pressure to be highly sexualized while also being intelligent. We have to be the smartest in the room, but we're also viewed as, in the white man's view, as a sexual desire. To further extend this research, the authors challenged scholars to examine the ways in which the craze influences women in other fields, including women like Serena Williams, whose physical body is beautiful and powerful and strong and represents all the hard work that she has put in to be the champion she is, but she refuses to conform to the thin, skinny, blonde hair role that, or standard of beauty. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this digital vlog.